Hello, in this video, you will learn about Ultima Farm and Ultima Minta. While miners around the world were puzzled by the search for a more promising coin to mine, rise in electricity bills, and the quest for a new ultra-powerful video card, PLC Ultima creators have made a real breakthrough and implemented a way of mining coins right on the smartphone. This became possible due to minting blockchain technology and the successful combination of our two products, Ultima Farm and Ultima Minta. Let's take a closer look to each one. Minting is the process of producing new coins on the blockchain. By and large, this is an automatic smart contract to block a certain amount of cryptocurrency and receive a reward for it. Ultima Farm is a mobile application for producing PLC Ultima coins with smart contracts, which generates profits simply by freezing coins in the farm wallet. Smart contracts make it possible to produce coins over 1 year period, guaranteeing continuous coin production during the entire term of operation. Production output depends on the market conditions and the period when the contract is created. Ultima Minta is a digital certificate that allows the farm to access the minting of coins. As the number of coins for production and the number of users who can produce coins are strictly limited, the digital certificate is paid. The number of coins available for blocking on the farm depends on the Ultima Minta category. Now let's look at how new coins are mined. To start minting, you need to download and install two free applications, Ultima Farm, which is a holding farm, and Ultima Wallet, which is a wallet for new coins. After free registration and payment for a digital certificate, which is Ultima Minta, that is suitable for you, you must block a certain amount of funds, top up your farm with coins, and click on the minting button. Once you start minting on the farm, you will receive new coins on your main wallet in equal amounts over the course of 1 year. Our technologies have already transformed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people dreaming of earning a passive income on the blockchain. The minted coins can be easily spent, transferred, stored, quickly and securely used for other operations. The user is the sole owner of their coins and all the necessary information to restore access to their wallet. That's why you should carefully review our instructions on how to secure funds on the farm and e-wallet.